Shimmer and Shine, happy birthday to you. Shimmer and Shine are throwing a birthday party. Who is it for? Shimmer makes a cake. It is not her birthday. Shine hangs streamers. It is not her birthday. Tala puts on music. Is it her birthday? No. Nala blows up balloons. It is not her birthday. It is party time. Leia comes to the palace. Is she the birthday girl? No. Zach comes too. Is he the birthday boy? No. Shimmer sets up a birthday game. Pin the tail on Tala. Shine puts out the birthday presents. What a fun party, but who is it for? Surprise! The party's for you. Happy birthday to you.
The end.
Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like, share, and hit that notification bell. And check out my other playlists and videos. Thanks for watching. Bye!